Now, in an earlier attempt here, I wrote this, which is sort of hogwash, but not quite, because there's a lot of truth to it. I just have to modify it a little bit. Okay, continuously differentiable. Now, it's the key idea here. And I said that implies this, and then for all x, y, and r, and that's where I started to realize that we need uniform continuity, or it seems that we need uniform continuity. I'm not sure we really do, so I'm going to take that arrow and obliterate it. This is just the general definition of continuously differentiable at the point x, y, and forget this for all x, y, and r for the moment. Okay? And then that means there exists a delta such that m of x, y plus delta, and so forth, is less than epsilon. So we can shrink this down to being less than epsilon. Then I'm attempting to make my of xy minus my of x star y star less than epsilon. And I'm attempting to use the fact that this applies for the point x star y star, continuously differentiable here. There's a delta that will shrink all your values of m down to be less than epsilon. The difference between the value at this point and the value at any other point to its right or left within delta of this point in the horizontal direction will make m differ from this by an arbitrarily tiny amount. Okay? And I don't like necessarily the way I wrote this because I did this again. So what I should have written here, essentially horizontally across here, well, no, actually I'm trying to show it at my, and my is supposed to be continuously differentiable. In other words, the function is continuously differentiable everywhere. You get continuous partial derivatives. So what I should have said here is my of xy, that minus dot, dot, dot. That should have been x, y star. Because everywhere along this line here, within delta, so we go delta to the right, delta to the left. Delta is small enough to make this less than epsilon, and then we make our delta x smaller than that. And that's the idea that we're getting at, but I need to do that in a more coherent fashion. So I'm going to kind of erase this and try to develop it a little bit more coherently.